Hey y'all, the brand sent this over and compensated us for this video, but I knew that my dad and my son were the best ones to try out this HIZONE arc welding machine. And right out of the box, it is a great option. It even comes with welding rods, but it works smoothly with various welding rods. It has a built-in safety feature for overheating and overcurrent, so you don't have to worry about pushing it too hard. And right out of the box, it was very easy to set up. It comes with a 10-foot ground clamp, a 10-foot electrode holder, a 110 and 220 adapter, 5 welding rods, and even a shoulder strap so you can make it portable. The LED display is super clear to read, showing the important details like current settings, electrode size, welding mode, and even total machine usage time. It's so much easier to read than those traditional screens. The voltage reduction device, or VRD, hot start, arc force, and anti-stick functions make welding smoother and prevent rod sticking, which is especially useful for beginner welders. My dad, who had, piddled in welding for nearly, all of his life, has said it was very easy to use. It was really smooth. The arc starts easily and the machine maintains a stable arc without fluctuations. My dad was really impressed by how smooth it was, even on different metal thicknesses. We also noticed minimal splatter, making cleanup even easier compared to other welders that he has used. Another great feature is the efficient cooling system. It keeps it running smoothly even after extended periods of time using it. So overall, this welder is definitely great for both beginners and experienced welders. It's portable, reliable, and has some really high-end features you don't always find at this price level. So if you're looking for a solid stick welder that can handle a variety of jobs, this one is definitely worth considering, and I hope this video helps.